How to divide replant Agapanthus. Agapanthus is easy to propagate when it is divided and replanted. If it is not divided regularly, Agapanthus can become invasive. It gets larger and larger and encroaches on other plants. Digging up and cutting Agapanthus for division is not difficult, but it requires precision and care. If done incorrectly, Agapanthus may be damaged in the dividing and replanting process. Things you will need: shovel, knife, pruning shears. Wait until spring or fall to dig up Agapanthus. Dig around the plant, inserting the shovel into the ground and digging down again underneath the root system. When the soil around the Agapanthus is loosened, lift the plant out of the ground with the shovel. Cut through the roots of the plant with a clean, sharp knife to divide it into 2 or 3 sections. Several roots should be present on each section. Replant Agapanthus in well-drained, rich soil where it will receive full sunlight. Prune half the foliage away from each new plant with standard pruning shears. With less foliage, the plant focuses on establishing roots. Tips: warnings. Take care when digging and removing Agapanthus to avoid root damage.